3 things you need to know about your real estate market. The first thing you need to know, you need to study your market and you need to find out exactly what homes are selling for in the area. You need to know what new construction is selling for. You need to know what nice houses are selling for. You need to know what fixer-uppers are selling for. And you need to know what tear-downs are selling for. You need to know all those prices across the board. The second thing you need to know is you need to know the area. Which area is good to buy in, which area is good for rent. You don't want to go buy a house to live in the area that's too many rental properties. It won't go up in value as much as the area that's better. At the same time, you don't want to go buy a rental property in a real nice area because you're not going to cash flow well. So you got to understand that market. The third thing you want to know is which area has a high turnover. The higher the turnover, the better chance when you're ever out there looking for property to buy, especially for investment property, the more opportunity you can have because people are always turning. Like and follow for more real estate tips.
Here are a few things you need to know before you start investing in real estate. Don't let your emotions control you because usually most of the time, emotions can make or break a deal. The majority of the time, they break the deal. Make sure you're doing your research on your location because location is all going to depend on what type of tenant you're going to attract. You want to buy a low-cost investment property because remember, the renovation is going to cost you more before you even rent or sell the investment property off to somebody else.
So I have a really big secret to tell you, and I'm crazy to tell you because I'm basically creating my own competition. Here it is, guys. The secret is that real estate is the easiest career to become financially independent. Either you become a real estate agent and make tons in commissions, or you become an investor and make money that way. Or you could do both. And the only thing real estate school is good for is to get your license because they don't teach you much. And the thing is, real estate isn't really about selling. It's about finding the homes to sell and getting the clients. And you really don't need to know how to sell a house to do that, do you? So let me share with you the one thing that you need to make millions in real estate. That one thing is a successful real estate coach. A successful real estate coach has already been there, done that, and it'll teach you the shortcuts to success. For more real estate facts and tips, follow me on TikTok and Instagram.
Here's one of the biggest lessons I learned as a real estate investor that not many people talk about. You will never be prepared for everything. You could literally try your best to control everything and prepare for every situation possible. But the truth is you can't control everything. In fact, you control less than you think you do. Only thing you can control is you and your decisions. So, learn as much as you can, master your numbers, and be super conservative with them. If you've done that, you've done as much as you can to prepare, and there's nothing else left to do.
Here are the 4 things that you need to know before you start investing in real estate. There are a lot of misconceptions when it comes to real estate investing. Number 1 is that it's passive. Number 2 is that you need your real estate license. Number 3 is that you're gonna get rich off your first property. Number 4 is that you need a ton of money to get started. We just posted a video on our YouTube channel that goes through all these points in depth.